In today's video, we're going to learn how to print a triangle star pattern in Python, just like the one you see here on the screen. The goal is simple. We have to write a Python program that takes a number n from the user and prints a triangle pattern of height n. Pretty cool, right? Before we jump into the code, let's take a minute to analyze this pattern and how our analysis can be translated to a program. Notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows in total. Height of triangle is equal to the number of rows. Therefore, we need to have n number of rows in the triangle. Let us represent the row number with parameter I. In the first row where I equals 1, we have 1 star. In the second row where I equals 2, we have 2 stars. In the third row where I equals 3, we have 3 stars. In the fourth row where I equals 4, we have 4 stars. In general, for row equals I, we have I number of stars. Therefore, for each row, we have to print I number of stars. Let us write down the points that can get a program out of this. 1. We need a loop that runs for 4 times. This is for row traversal. Let us call this as outer loop. 2. For each row, we need a loop that runs for I number of times, because there are I number of stars in each row. So in summary, we need an outer loop for iterating over rows, where we get access to the row number in I. In the inner loop, we have to iterate for I number of times and print a star symbol in each iteration. Let us start writing the Python program. Define a function, print underscore triangle underscore pattern. For the time being, write the program to print a triangle of height 4. The outer loop should run from I equals 1 to I equals 4. We can use for loop with a range, y4 plus 1, because the behavior of the range function is that it runs from given starting index of 1 up to 4 plus 1, excluding 4 plus 1, effectively running from I equals 1 to I equals 4. The inner loop. Let us take parameter j for the inner loop. This inner loop should run from j equals 1 to j equals I. Therefore, the range is from 1 to I plus 1, since I plus 1 is excluded by range function. Inside the inner loop, let us print a star symbol, with n character as an empty string. This lets us print the stars in a row in a single line. After printing a row, we need to print a new line so that the next row prints in next line. Let us now generalize this function for n. Change the definition of function to accept an argument n, and replace the hard-coded value of 4 with n. Now this print underscore triangle function takes n as argument and prints a right-angled triangle pattern of stars. Let us write code to read an integer value from the user, store it in n, and call print underscore triangle with n as argument. Run the program. Prompt appears to enter n value. 4, and enter. Triangle pattern is displayed with a height of 4. Rerun the program. This time, enter 6 for n. Triangle pattern is displayed with a height of 6. The stars look congested in each row. We can make this pretty by introducing a space character after each symbol. Run the program. Now, the pattern looks nice. To sum up, we learned how to analyze the given pattern by considering the given n value and the number of stars in each row. If this video helped you understand how to print a right-angled triangle star pattern in Python, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials.